What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily add video testimonial sections to your website in Shopify. Let's go. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to the link in the description where I'll have this section that you can go ahead and download for completely free, or there is a paid version. The difference is there's a watermark on the free version, and if you want to pay for the paid one, the watermark is removed. That just helps support my channel and me. If you want to go ahead and just buy the paid one, obviously you get the watermark removed. The free version works totally fine. It just has a watermark there, so you can go ahead and try it out. If you like it, then you can go ahead and buy the paid one. So yeah, once you have that downloaded, you will get a file like this, and I'll show you guys exactly how to import this into your store. It's literally super easy. Just go ahead and go to your theme and hit edit code. Don't worry, we're not going to be actually editing any like code here. We just have to drag and drop the section in. So open up the sections folder right here, and then locate the file that you downloaded and literally just drag it and drop. And it does say if file is already named here, do you want to replace it? I'm just going to hit cancel because I already had this file imported in, but it would basically just import in, and you just hit Control S to save it. Then we can go back to our Shopify and just edit that theme. And when we go to add section, that section will be right there that we can go ahead and add in. And just like that, we now have our video section that we can go ahead and fully edit. All these settings we can customize for the web version as well as mobile. So I'm going to kind of break it down for you guys and show you how to use it. So first off, obviously you want to go ahead and add videos to these different video cards. So we can go ahead and select one of these videos and select a video file. I just have some random videos here that are just on the store. Let's go ahead and select some of these. And as you can see, when I hover over them, it actually plays like a preview.
Yo,
you can play
my God,
it,
my hair is so...
and the video plays with the audio and it pops out. If you don't want the video to pop out, there's actually a setting for that. If we scroll down here, we can go over to, where is it? Right here, the pop out. We can hit plays in card. We can even change the aspect ratio to like square. We can do portrait. I'm just gonna leave it on vertical because I think that looks best for these vertical videos. So when we play it,
my God, my hair.
it now plays inside of the card. And
Yo,
if
what is this dude doing?
And I play another video, it automatically pauses it. That's the thing that other sections were having problems with, is like you would play the video and it would just keep playing and literally just destroy the user's audio because you had multiple videos playing audios at the same time and you just couldn't pause them. So yeah, this actually works well. Same thing for the mobile. You can go ahead and just play the videos, move left and right. You can add more videos by just clicking this add video button. Super easy. You can turn off videos like this. And if you want to center them, you only have like 2 videos here. You can just go over here and select the grid and hit center, and boom. But I'm just going to leave the horizontal scroll right now because I want to show you guys one more thing, or at least just another feature with this. I like these arrows, but I want to change it to a different option. So what I'm going to do is turn off the arrows and use the scroll bar. The scroll bar is pretty clean. It's literally just what it says. It's a scroll bar, but it's not there because we don't have enough videos in here. So I'm just going to add a couple more videos. There we go. Here's a scroll bar. We can scroll it and basically does what it says. It's a scroll bar. I think it's pretty clean. Works for mobile as well. You can change the card width so the videos are bigger or smaller. You can change the text alignment. You can center it left, right, all that good stuff. You can obviously change the color of the background if you want. We can change the text size up here to have it large or to have it smaller, whatever. We can change the transform to be like all uppercase if you want, capitalize, or just normal. Literally all of these things are super easy and user-friendly to customize, so you don't have to like be a genius to edit these settings here, which is super nice. You can change the play button size. And yeah, if you want to go ahead and check this out, like I said, it is linked down below, so go ahead and try that out with the free version, or you can go ahead and pay for the paid version, which will remove this watermark and supports this channel. So go ahead and play around with the free version. If you like it, buy it. And yeah, I think this is a super well high converting section that pretty much every store should have, besides obviously the added cart button. I just think having videos is super helpful for users to see that this is a trusted product, and people can literally just click on the video, see someone using the product instead of having to go to their social media and looking at their videos. They can just click this and see what their customers are saying. So I think it's super useful to have on your website, and that is why I wanted to create my own section for this. And I'm thinking about creating more sections for you guys in the future that you can go ahead and try out on your stores. So if that's something you'd be interested in, then let me know in the comments down below. With that being said, that is it for this video. If you have any issues or questions with the section, drop them down below and I'll be responding back to you guys. But yeah, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.